Hello guys, Cristiano here. I am a C programmer, learning all those things that I can. Hit the subscribe button, let a comment, that'll help so much the channel. All my videos, you'll be in a fast mode with explanation. I'll reduce the time to be more precise. And we'll face a lot of mistakes in the bugs. Everything's calculated, or not. Today we'll talk about event. Events are messages which happen in the past. This kind of message is used to notify someone who is interested in some information. In this implementation we can add the interested and which message it is interested in. This resource it is an observer pattern but identified. So let's hit the code. First we create three files: the header, the source and the test file. And we add the new header file inside the main header. In the header event we do some includes. We define the amount of observers in 10. For call the observer, we provide an interface and an event. The object must implement that interface, so it can be notified when this event happens. We create an observer structure. Next, we create an event map to associate an event and an observer in the context. To hold the list of observers, we create a dispatcher. It has the job to notify the observers who's waiting for the such event. To handle the dispatcher context, we need three functions: init function, observer add function, it is self-explanatory here, and the fire function to dispatch the event. Going to the source file, we start with init function. We set the error and we test the instance and clear the structure. We use this code structure to replicate it for the other functions. In the observer add function, we check the observer if it has a free slot, and we map the event and the observer and the reference, increase the amount value by 1. In the fire function, we receive an event and a data. We scan the list, checking if there's someone waiting for a specific event, and we invoke the handler. Here's a thing to note, I'll improve after. I see here the interface has a place to set the context, and I used another here in the map to do this job. Alright, futures improvements. One thing, we cannot use break here. Now in the test file, we add some includes. We create an none with two events, print and compare. For each one, we create an structure. To compare a handler, we use a structure with two strings. We will need the both context, print and compare, so let's implement each one of them. We copy the template code to use in both initializations. In the print, we provide the handler print data. We need to do the same for compare, but for compare data. In the print handler, we just print the data. In the compare handler, we cast to recover the value, and we compare the strings if are equal, prints equals, if aren't, prints not equals. In the main, we declare the dispatcher, print and compare. Fixing here a typo, we init the dispatcher with init function, now the compare, and the next the print. We add the print observer waiting for a print event to the list. We add the compare observer waiting for compare event to the list. We create the data for compare. We fire an event as print event with hello world string, and in a row we fire an event as compare event with the value struct which carries the string to compare. Last but not least, we add the new file in the script file and we create the instructions to create the test. We do compile. First try, no good, just kidding. Running the tests, all done. Running manually, we can see the data on the screen. We can see hello world message for the print event. In the case of compare, that it was not equals. We have here the same problem as the video before. Our slots are fixed. If the user wants to add more events, it will be a problem. But you need to keep that in mind. We need to do some improvements step by step. That's all for now. I appreciate it if you get here. Don't you forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment and share. Knowledge is not enough. Waiting for more. Bye. See you soon.